The international health regulations are a global legal framework developed by the World Health Organization to protect people from the international spread of diseases. These regulations clearly define the rights and responsibilities of countries in handling public health events that may cross borders. The international health regulations are legally binding on 196 countries, including all WHO member states, which means countries are required to follow them. They also provide clear guidelines to decide whether a situation should be declared a public health emergency of international concerns. The regulation aims to ensure global health safety while also protecting trade and travel from unnecessary restrictions. International health regulations objectives. The international health regulations aim to protect global health by preventing and controlling the international spread of diseases in a timely and effective manner, prevent the international spread of infectious disease and health risks, ensure early detection and timely reporting of public health events, promote quick and coordinated global response to health emergencies, strengthen national health systems and surveillance capacity, minimize unnecessary interference with international travel and trade, encourage transparency and information sharing among countries, support global cooperation and collective action, protect human rights while implementing health measures. Principles of international health regulations. The international health regulations are guided by key principles that ensure public health measures are effective while also respecting the rights and dignity of individuals. Developed by the World Health Organization, these principles promote fairness, transparency, and global cooperation in managing health emergencies, protect the human rights and dignity of all individuals during health measures, ensures privacy and confidentiality of personal health data, promote informed consent before applying medical examination or treatments, prevent discrimination based on nationality, race, or identity, encourage transparency and timely sharing of information between countries, apply health measures that are scientifically justified and evidence based, ensures actions are proportionate to public health risks, avoid unnecessary interference with international travel and trade, promote international cooperation and mutual trust among countries, ensure fair and ethical implementation of all health regulations. Implementation of international health regulation. The implementation of the international health regulation is essential for protecting global health and preventing the international spread of diseases. It requires a strong coordination between countries and the World Health Organization along with well-developed health system at the national level. Every country must establish a national IHR focal point to act as the main communication link with WHO and ensure timely sharing of public health information. The focal point is responsible for reporting health events, emergencies, and potential risks to WHO quickly and accurately. Early detection of public health threats is crucial to prevent the spread of diseases at national and international levels. Governments must build effective response systems to take immediate action and control outbreaks before they become serious. Core health capacities should be developed at all levels, including local, regional, and national health systems. A special focus is given to points of entry such as airports, seaports, and land borders to prevent cross border transmission of diseases. Countries must implement health measures related to international travel and transport, including checking health documents like vaccination certificates. Proper monitoring of aircraft, ships, and cargo is required to ensure that diseases are not transmitted through international movement. The IHR requires countries to follow a systematic approach of detecting, assessing, reporting, and responding to health events. Detection involves identifying risk through strong surveillance and early warning systems. Assessment requires evaluating the seriousness of the event using IHR guidelines to determine its potential global impact. Reporting involves informing WHO through the national IHR focal point about events that may become a public health emergency of international concerns. Response includes taking immediate public health action such as isolation, treatment, and control measures to contain the outbreak. Role of the World Health Organization. The World Health Organization plays a central and coordinating role in the implementation of the international health regulations. It supports countries in strengthening their health system, ensures global cooperation, and helps manage public health emergencies effectively. Act as the global coordinating authority for implementing the IHR among all members countries, provides technical guidance and support to countries for managing public health risks and emergencies, helps countries build and strengthen core health capacities including surveillance, detection and response system, develops and shares tools, frameworks and guidelines for disease prevention and control, facilitates timely information sharing between countries during health emergencies, assist in identifying and declaring public health emergencies of international concerns, supports countries in the risk assessment and decision making based on scientific evidence, provides training and capacity building programs for healthcare professionals and authorities, coordinates international response efforts during global outbreaks and pandemics, monitors global health trends and tracks disease outbreak worldwide.